Students, today I am going to explain trick to draw Lewis dot structures. This is a very easy trick. You can draw any molecule Lewis dot structure by using this trick. For drawing a Lewis dot structure, students, you should keep in mind 5 important steps. Step number 1, count all the valency electrons. Step number 2, identify the least electronegative atom. You should consider this least electronegative atom as the central atom, and remaining all the atoms are spaced evenly around it. Step number 3, draw single bonds to the central atom. Step number 4, complete octet with remaining electrons for the outer atoms first and add remaining electrons to the central atom. Step number 5, complete the central atom octet by making covalent bonds. These are the 5 important steps you should keep in mind while drawing the Lewis dot structures. Let us try to draw the Lewis dot structures. Let us draw the Lewis dot structure for nitrate ion. Step number 1, count all the valency electrons. For counting the valency electrons, first you should have an idea regarding the group number. Nitrogen belongs to the 5th group, so the number of valency electrons are 5, plus oxygen belongs to the 6th group, so the number of valency electrons are 6. 3 oxygens are there, so 6 into 3, plus it is having minus charge, so write plus 1, which is equals to 5 plus 6 3s are 18 plus 1. 18 plus 1 19, 19 plus 5 24 electrons. This is step number 1, counting the all valency electrons. Step number 2, identify the least electronegative atom. Nitrogen, oxygen. Nitrogen is the least electronegative atom and remaining atoms draw around it. This is step number 2. Step number 3, draw single bonds around the central atom. Single bonds around the central atom. This is step number 3. Now, step number 4. Complete octet with remaining electrons. Octet means having 8 electrons in the valency shell. Here 2 electrons are present. Octet means 8 electrons. Already 2 electrons are there. You should draw remaining 6 electrons on the oxygen. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octet is fulfilled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This oxygen atom octet also fulfilled. Now for this oxygen, 1, 2, only 2 electrons are there. Right, remaining 6 electrons. Octet is fulfilled. Total octets of all the atoms except central atom is fulfilled. Now count the number of electrons you have written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Total number of electrons are 24. You have written 24 electrons here. Step number 5. Suppose here we got 24 electrons for this ion, that's why we got already 24. Suppose here we get 26. In such a case, the remaining electrons you should write on central atom. Suppose we got 26, you have written only 24 for completing octet. Remaining 2 electrons you have to write on the central atom. Step number 5. Complete the octet for the central atom also. Now count the central atom electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Only 6 electrons are there. It requires 2 more electrons to fulfill the octet. So move any 2 electrons from any oxygen, whether this or this. Move any 2 electrons and draw those 2 electrons here. This is the final step. See this? Nitrogen at the center, and here one oxygen is there, here one oxygen, here one oxygen. It is having 6 electrons around it. It is having 4. It is having 6 electrons around it. And if you see the nitrate ion, it is having a minus charge on it. So write that minus charge here. That's it. This is the Lewis dot structure. Very easy. If you like this video, click on thumbs up button, share my video and subscribe my channel.